Hello everyone, welcome to our first episode of Advanced Level Puzzles. Already you know there are three basic rules about puzzle solving. Rule number one, you know the checks and then capturing and then attack. So after that also you have to apply some other rules according to the puzzles. This is our first puzzle. Observe the board properly and try to solve this puzzle. Pause the video. Okay. Look for check now. There are no checks available on the board. You cannot give any check to your opponent. Okay. Any capturing moves are there? Yeah, one capturing move is there, but this doesn't make any good sense. If you capture this one, you might be losing the game. Next, attacking move. We have one attacking move. If we play f7 to attack on the rook, then our opponent will capture our bishop. After that, can you do anything here? No. We have one more attacking move. Queen e3, attack on the rook. Another one, Queen f2, again attack on the rook. If we play Queen f2, attack on this unsupported piece, then what will be happen? Visualize properly. Okay, Queen f2, so your opponent will save the rook. Then f7, rook takes e7. After that, you can play bishop f6 check. King cannot come here. This square is protected by the pawn. After bishop f6, your opponent is forced to capture your bishop. Then capture by the queen, check, forced to play this move. This is the only move, and then promote the queen. Okay, let's visualize again, everybody. Queen f2, rook a6, f7, rook takes e6, bishop f6, rook takes f6, queen takes f6, queen g7, and pawn f8, queen f2. Oh, here your opponent is not saving the rook. So no problem, your opponent capture your 3 point, you capture 5 point, and that is done. But wait, let's go with our main combination here. After queen f2, if your opponent try to save this rook, f7, rook takes this one, bishop f6, check, rook takes f6, queen takes f6, queen g7, and promote this one, another queen, checkmate. Observe this position and try to solve this puzzle by pausing your video. We are looking for check now. One check is available here, another check is there, but these both checks are losing for black. Capturing move, this is here capturing move, but this move cannot help you. It doesn't make any good sense here. Okay, this time attacking move. So attacking move, now can you, for playing attacking move, maximum time you should try to apply some tactics on the board. Look at this queen. Can we trap this queen here? Visualize properly. What about this rook c1? If queen takes c1, then n d3, royal fork, and completely winning. But wait, your opponent is forced to capture the rook. After rook c1, queen has no option. your opponent cannot save the queen. So your opponent is forced to capture the rook. This is called attraction in chess. When you are forcing your opponent any piece by sacrificing your piece to go any particular place, that is called attraction. Okay, that's fine. That is not that much difficult. I hope it will be correct here. Rook c1, queen takes c1, n d3 check, and then n takes c1. Let's visualize again. Sorry, let's revise again. Done. Solve this one. This is checkmate in 3 moves. Yeah, let me check again. 1 1, 2 2, and 3 moves. Yeah, this is checkmate in 3 moves. Pause the video and solve this one. Look at this file. The king cannot go to this file. This square is controlled by the knight. So king has these squares here. Okay. First look for checks here. We can go for this check, and by this keyword we can gain your opponent's queen. But when it is checkmate in 3 moves, so why you should capture your opponent's queen? Let's go for checkmate pattern here. There is 3 moves checkmate. What about this move? Bishop a6 check. Then your opponent can come here. King c2 or king c3. After that you can give check here. Then bishop c4. And then you cannot go for checkmate. So this bishop a6 is not helping us to give checkmate in 3 moves. Okay, we have one more check. Queen b5 check. What about this move? Visualize properly here. After queen b5 check, you are supporting the knight also at the same time. So queen b5, king cannot come here. Then it is checkmate in 2 moves. Or king cannot come here. Again it is checkmate in 2 moves. So after queen b5, your opponent is forced to play queen c4. So both side one move is done. Now next move. Next move is bishop e4 check. After bishop e4, king has only one move, c3, and then rook c1 mate. It is checkmate in 3 moves. So no need to capture your opponent's queen here. Queen b5 check, queen c4, bishop e4 check, king c3, and then rook c1 checkmate. This one is very easy. Try to win more material here. Pause the video and solve it. Okay. In this position, if you capture the knight, then this move doesn't make any good sense. Then queen takes a knight, and you cannot gain any material. And after that, you cannot win the match also. It is a drawish game here. What about this check? After this check, your opponent cannot play king to f8. Then it is discover check by the rook and capture the queen. So after queen d7, king f8 is not possible. Here it is not possible. Here it is not possible. King h8 is not possible because queen h7 checkmate. King h6 is not possible. Then queen h7, king g5, and h4 checkmate. So after this move, your opponent has only one move, which is queen e7, and then you capture the knight free of cost. Okay, let's try this. Queen d7. Yeah, now this time it is pinned here. And then capture the knight. Done. You are capturing this knight free of cost here. So what about other moves? King f8. After queen d7, king f8. As you know, this is discover attack and losing the queen. King h6. mate. Here we have one check by capturing the rook. If your opponent captured by the king, then it is checkmate. No, then it is not checkmate actually. No. So after doing this one, your opponent can play this one, queen d8. So we are seeing that this move doesn't make any good sense here. It cannot help you to win the material here. So can you solve this problem here? What if you play this move, queen c8? After queen c8, your opponent cannot capture this one as it is checkmate. Then rook takes e8, king h7, and then rook h8, checkmate. It's completely hopeless. After this move, your opponent is completely hopeless. I don't know which move your opponent will play here. Queen c8. Oh, he's making way for his king. Then no problem. Capture this rook free of cost. You want to capture my rook? Okay. There is pin here. And for this check, we can save our king here. Completely winning. Let's revise this one. Queen c8. Done. Okay, this one is very nice. There is no check. You cannot give any good checks here. What about the capturing? We have one capturing here. So start your visualization with this capturing. Rook takes rook takes a1, then rook takes a1. Okay, after that we have very good move. Queen f6, and we are creating queen fork here. Then how can he save his two pieces? He has one good option. Again visualize. Rook takes a1, rook takes a1, queen f6, queen fork. Then your opponent can play this one to save his rook and bishop. You cannot capture his bishop because your rook is hanging. After this, what can you do? Can you visualize properly here? Yes. Then you have to capture the rook. Bishop takes rook, and again queen fork here, and take the bishop back. Wow, it is very nice, very nice, very nice calculation. Okay, let's try this. Rook takes a1, rook takes a1, queen f6, queen fork, rook a8, rook takes a8, bishop takes a8, and then queen a1, queen fork, take the bishop back, again check. Very nice.